Hi and welcome to Palmera GO today. It's February 21st, 2020, and I just wanted to share with you some of the things that we found today live on RCI and Quest and our own website coming back to Hilton Head, just to show you some of the things that you can do to enjoy your travels for this year and next year. So to give you a good idea, I'm going to show you what you could do with 2,500 points. If you have 2,500 points, you can combine them with next year. That gives you a total of 5,000 points. And let's say you want to book something in advance. So what you're going to do, you're on your dashboard, you're going to go to the Travel RCI, you're going to click on there and you're going to click through, which I've already done. And then you're going to go up through here, click on Exchange Vacations. And I'm going to show you how you go on there and you search and you go, I went into Colorado. And remember too, while you're on the RCI website, always 0 to 1,000 point exchanges. There are hundreds and thousands of different weeks, resorts you can go to all around the United States and around the world. So always look at those. They change daily. They change weekly. Really exciting. I love to keep looking every day just to see what's out there. But right now I was going to Exchange Vacations. I'm looking to book a ski trip in advance. And right here is what we pulled up. This is live today. This is Timber Run in Winter Park, Colorado, one of the nicest ski resorts you can go to. And this resort right now, what they have available is they have a 2-bedroom villa for January and February next year for 4,100 points. So out of my 5,000 points, I could book this right now. And there'd be a little book button right here on yours that you could book. And if you want to take 6 people or 8 people, 48.5, you'll be booking it right here on here. And that's planning ahead. So you're booking a amazing ski trip in Winter Park in Colorado in a 2-bedroom for January/February next year. And just to show you what's going on there right now, I pulled up their live cam for you. And that's what's going on right now. Just to show you, look how beautiful it is out there. That is live right there. And look at that. That's where you go get your ski gear, get your ski boots, and go look at that. That is live right now today. Oh, that's something that you plan for, you book and do something out. That's in advance there. They even got a live camera showing down the base of the mountain too. Those people enjoying themselves skiing here. So if you've got 5,000 points, which is combined in 25 and 25, and you want to plan a nice trip for your family, that's exactly what you can do there. Now, what the other things you can do just to show you, so you've planned a big trip there, but you want to take some cool trips this year, well, go back to your dashboard, you click on play and go straight to Quest. Now, when you go to Quest, you're going to go straight through there, and I'm just going to show you what I did. I went into Quest, I clicked on weeks, clicked on Orlando, and I found this resort right here, which I know this resort. This is Wyndham Cypress Point, great resort in Orlando. And just to show you what they have available, now remember, I've used my points now. I've got a big trip all booked for the whole family for end of January next year. Now they have 1-bedrooms for as little as less than $50 to $60 a night right here that you could book right now. April, this is out to October. And the 2-bedrooms, if you look at 2-bedrooms, you can go down in the summer there, in June or even in October. And there's the 2-bedroom villas for $100 a night in Orlando in the summer right there for school break if you want to take the whole family down there with you. So that's another great thing you could do through Quest. And remember, Quest has so many choices, discounts off hotels, cruises. There's just endless vacations for you right there to keep going. That's what's exciting about it. It's just going on and looking. Even though you're not sure what you're doing, it's just cool to have a look and see what's going on. So we're going to go back to now. We're going to go back to here, back to our main dashboard. And then if you want to come back here, like right now, you can go in and see what's going in there right now. So if you click on here, and then what you want to do, and you're going to see what you want to do, you're going to click on the Smart States. Let's see if there's any deals back at our resorts right now. So I pulled it up for you to see what's live today, February 21st, 2020. So right now we've got 1,137 points for a 2-bedroom at Portico, or you can pay $227, 110 for a studio. Island links you got down here, and you got more dates too, from $247.40 or 1,237 points. And keep going down. You've got 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms. I mean, a 3-bedroom for $300. That's for a week, don't forget. So, Coral Sands, if you want to come, I'll pull this one up for you right now. We have a lot of owners that have small dogs that, that's their family. So they want to bring them. And, we are dog friendly. We have some for small pets. If you look here, come and stay in a 1-bedroom villa. Bring your small dog, and it's $187 for the whole week with you and your loved one too. So these are all available right now. This is all live. And then even right now, just to show you what's going on, if you go to VIP weeks, now these are extra weeks you can take without using your points because you're going to go plan that big ski trip. You're all excited about that. Now you'll want to be crazy. You say, I want to come down here on 4th of July. Big celebration for you guys here. And obviously you can tell from the accent, not something we celebrate back home in England, but here it's stars and stripes and everybody's excited and all out. So right now, this is 4th of July week. Look at this. This is a 3-bedroom villa for $1,400 for the week. That's $200 a night. You can't stay in a nice hotel for $200 a night, but you're in a 3-bedroom, 2-bath villa. And we've got Island Links, Coral Sands. If you want something smaller too, there's some 1-bedrooms, but you just plenty of weeks available for you on 4th of July and in July. But for $200 a night, you just can't beat that. So we go back to your dashboard. So I just wanted to show you a couple of live things today to show people what to do and where you look. The most exciting part of taking vacations too is searching and finding all the cool stuff out there. So remember what we did today. We went to right here to RCI, looked at what they got out there. Remember, you always got those 0 to 1,000 points with RCI that you can go find out too, and if you're looking. But if you want to plan ahead, put your points together, go take that wonderful family trip. And remember, then we went, you got your Quest, you got your Smart Stays. Remember Quest, you got your discounts of hotels, villas, all different places, cruises, great discounts on cruises, VIP weeks, pick up those extra weeks to bring your family. It's just adding more vacations. Remember, vacation is so important for you and your family to go and spend time together. Time is precious. Well, I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope that helps you just to share. There's a couple of things out there, what you can do. And that was just live today, just a quick look to give you an idea. And remember, the fun is looking and searching and seeing what's out there. So safe travels. I hope that helped you. And take care. Speak to you next time.